Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by blocking proportions so the figure reads correctly. Use the head as a unit and mark roughly 5 to 8 head lengths down the center line. Draw an oval for the skull and a soft rectangle for the ribcage. Once done, place the pelvis as a smaller box. Use light lines and simple cylinders for arms and legs to establish posture. This first pass is fast. Make sure to keep marks loose so you can adjust pose and balance before adding detail. Now refine the gesture so the pose feels alive. Measure shoulder and hip tilts and connect them with a flowing spine curve. Place small circles at shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee to control limb motion. Once placed, flesh limbs with tapered cylinders that follow those pivot points. Add simple masses for chest and pelvis and suggest major muscle groups lightly. This clarifies volume and silhouette. As you refine, erase intersecting construction lines and keep checking proportions against the head unit. Finish by tightening important areas. Draw facial features within the head grid, build hands from blocky forms, and imply clothing over the anatomy. Use varied line weight to show depth, heavier where forms overlap, then add light hatching for shadow. Once done, clean away construction lines and step back to check silhouette. If something looks off, don't panic. Return to the head length measurements and remeasure shoulder, hip, and knee positions. That simple recheck fixes most proportion errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.